Hi, to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly we need to find and install Gboard, which is Google Keyboard. So let's open the Play Store, tap on search bar and manually input Gboard. Now we need to select this app and install it. Once it is downloaded, you need to go in your phone settings. From here, find General Management and then tap on Keyboard List and Default. After that, make sure that Gboard is turned on so the switcher is blue. If you see it like that, then tap on the switcher and tap OK. And then scroll a bit up, tap Default Keyboard, and from Samsung switch to Gboard. Great, now what we need to do is we need to trigger Keyboard. So for that, I'm going to enable my app drawer. And this is how Gboard looks. To change its theme, just tap Settings icon on the upper panel, or you can just tap this palette icon and themes will be open immediately. Here you can pick something from default options or from colors or from landscapes, light gradient and dark gradient. Let's pick this pink color, for example. For that, I'm gonna tap it, enable or disable key borders, and tap apply. And this is it. If you want to set your custom photo as a theme, then tap on the plus, choose photo from your gallery, adjust its size, tap next, adjust brightness, and tap done. And then, as we did before, tap apply. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.